If you've bought ceramic nonstick cookware in the last few years, you've probably noticed something frustrating. That amazing nonstick surface that worked so well when you first bought it, it's gone in a few months. Today, we're going to show you exactly why this happens and why most brands won't tell you the truth about their ceramic coatings. So first of all, let's talk about what ceramic coating actually is. Despite the name, it's not made of the same material as your coffee mug. It's called ceramic because it creates a hard, smooth surface that looks and feels like ceramic. The nonstick properties actually come from a silicone oil embedded in the coating. And here's where things get interesting and problematic. Now here's something the industry doesn't want you to know. There are no federal standards or regulations for ceramic nonstick cookware in the United States. None. According to sources in the coating industry, even when manufacturers purchase high-quality ceramic coating materials, the final product quality depends on following a strict 10-step application process. And here's the problem. Many manufacturers, they cut corners. They might apply fewer coating layers to save money or use poorly designed equipment. The coating material is just step one. If the other 9 steps aren't done properly, that hard-as ceramic coating will fall within months. Now, let's talk about why ceramic nonstick fails so quickly, even when it's applied correctly. Remember that silicone oil I mentioned? It starts vaporizing at just 400 to 500 Fahrenheit. That's medium-high heat on most stovetops. Every time you cook at a higher temperature, you're literally burning away the nonstick properties. And dishwashers? They're even worse. The combination of hot water, harsh detergents, and aggressive spray destroys the silicone oil coating rapidly. So we wanted to test it ourselves. Industry standards use 2 main tests for nonstick performance: cooking milk and frying eggs. But get this, in Europe, they actually have standards. Pans must be scrubbed 500 times and then pass 5 rounds of egg cooking tests. Can you imagine a ceramic pan lasting that? But in the US, nothing. So we're doing our own version. We tested 3 popular ceramic brands: Caraway, Our Place, and Green Pan. We put them through stress tests, and I gotta say, the results speak for themselves. Notice how the eggs stick and tear, the milk scorches and leaves residue. This is what happens when silicone oil degrades and manufacturers don't follow proper coating protocols. So what does this mean if you care about non-toxic cookware? Ceramic sounds great, in theory. No PFOA, no PTFE. But if the coating fails in 6 months, you're either cooking on degraded coating particles or exposed aluminum metal underneath. Here at Magnifique, we believe you deserve to know the truth about what you're cooking with. Understanding materials and coatings isn't just about marketing. It's about your health and your investment. Our products are made from pure clay, glass, or stainless steel. No coatings, no tricky 10-step processes, just natural, trusted material. It's safe for you and your family. This is why we're committed. We're committed to transparency about materials, manufacturing processes, and real-world performance. Because when it comes to what's touching your food every single day, you deserve better than marketing hype. If you want to learn more about cookware materials, coating science, and what actually makes safe, durable nonstick, subscribe to our channel. We're just getting started.